What's up, everybody? All right, chat. We're back. Uh, what's up, everybody? We have a legit low at the CRT low. Let's see if we're gonna get birds. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. high. Legit high. The 7:50 a.m. candle. We have a legit low here. We have 7:45 as a bearish candle. 7:50 as a bullish candle. All right, we have a legit low, which is fantastic. Let's see if we can get a purge here. I think the news should do a manipulation first. I think it's doing a big ass pushing a little hard here. So let's see if we can get a manipulation on the news. Yo, bro, what's good, my boy Trader? What's good? What's good? What's good? Damn. Let's see, brothers. Let's see if the news will come out here or not. I mean, let's see if the market will press out the low first. This looks like to be a KOD as well, man. Let's see, let's see. We do not have any OTE here, chat, so keep that in mind. We do not have any OTE because the London session never pressed out the COT low, so there's no OTE. I want to gamble today, bro. Please, it must edge me. I'm gonna put it all in the risk, brother. Accumulation, mid push, and expansion, or we can have a expansion. We can have a huge retracement here. We can have an expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, or we can have expansion, retracement, expansion, accumulation, mid push, and expansion. Let's see. I'm just pushing here, man. Come on. I'll have to retrace a little bit. I feel like New should do a manipulation here, man. Without the market is moving without a KOD here. It's interesting. I mean, London session did do a KOD here to the upside. Looks like just to be KOD. Wow, that's gonna be a lot of losses if you trade that time. This is why I say trade only during 3 a.m., right? If you have a set of 2 a.m. wait to 3 a.m., right? Enter this long, stopped out. Enter another long, stopped out. Enter another long, works out. Enter a threshold over here. You have to wait to 3 a.m. to execute a trade. Boom. 3 a.m. tap saying goes up higher. Damn, bro. What the fuck, man? Are you gonna hit our take profit without us? What are you doing, man? Yeah, bro, got wrecked on London session. Yeah, man. It's just that I already told you about the news. Is you could do two things: manipulate, then go to the drawn liquidity, or it could go straight to the drawn liquidity. That to on. What's up, my boy S? Good, what's good, what's good. I don't know what you mean by that, brother. You gotta down 6% for real. You gotta focus, like, man. You can get out of it easily, man. If you're down, if you go down to like 8%, DRX, right? DRX to, what I'm saying, 0.50%. Now will risk 0.50%. I only think you should only DRX when it's around 0.50%. Only when you're down like 8%. Because right now, let's just say you hit a good ass trade, like a 3-hour trade. You know what I'm saying? And you risk 0.50%, you only make it like 1.5%, which is nothing. I mean, that could definitely give you a, what I'm saying, a motivation to keep on going, but usually the only time I de-risk is when I'm down like 8% or not, maybe 9%. But just check your, my boy Trader, just check your analysis, man. Just see how your analysis been recently, right? Our analysis the whole week has been the same analysis, right? Our Tuesday analysis was wrong because we tried to fucking go based on our feelings, not the market. Market told us we want to goes up higher, and I thought the market was gonna go lower because the daily CRT was not getting respected, right? But you gotta keep in mind, this daily CRT never got disrespected. I just felt like it was going to get disrespected, right? But did it get disrespected? No, we must not go based on our feeling. We must go based on the market, not our feelings, right? So that's what we did, and that's what we got cooked. But the whole week, same analysis, right? As I told you guys in the market forecast, we're going from here to higher here, right? And look where the market is going. Yeah, brother, the daily base daily CRT. That's why I took short. You can't just go based on CRT, man. You must go use multiple concepts, right? There was a daily CRT to the upside. You know what I'm saying? Now you're confused, right? You're confused. Where should you go bearish or bullish here, right? Because there's a daily CRT to the upside and then there's a daily CRT to the downside, right? So the way you know which one to go for is the one you should know which one to go for, the one that makes more sense, right? The daily bull CRT has multiple things here, right? Daily IRL to ERL, daily D range, drawn location to the upside, right? As well as classic investing profile to the upside, Monday low of the week, right? So we have a daily IRL to ERL as well, right? You can see how it makes way more sense. Just for a daily CRT to the downside, there's only one thing for a daily CRT. The daily CRT low, consider here, the daily CRT to the downside only has a one thing. You could possibly think about the mid-week reversal. The mid-week reversal is not going to be, actual thing, because why? Because the Monday low is protected. How is it protected? Because there's SMT divergence, right? So if this is protected, the mid-week reversal is not true, right? That's crazy. Market is pushing here without without giving an entry here, man. It's kind of gay. Man, what the fuck? Should have waited for 3 a.m. You always want to wait for 3 a.m. Even for the long here. Today this long. If you were not to wait till 3 a.m. because 3 a.m. is the silver bullet kill zone, right? And you can see we're not to wait for 3 a.m. We're gonna have one loss, second loss, and eventually the third one hits. Why the third one hit? Because it's 3 a.m., right? Damn, Dronley got mad. No, no, no. No, mate. My drone, look what they got met. My luck, what are they? Oh, billah. Fudge, man. Fudge. I gotta see what 9 a.m. offers us here. I just said, my boy Trader. Logic and narrative is what matters, right? You can't pattern it, right? You can't just pattern it because of the CRT. And news, as I said before, will come in two forms. Either one, push the drawn liquidity, or two, manipulate and eventually push the drawn liquidity. It does either of those things. Either of those two things. Dang, yesterday drawn liquidity was just high right over here, and eventually just got met today. Yikes. Yesterday I was up what, 3.2 RR, but I only made 1.5 profit, man. If I were to know that tomorrow was new CPI, I would have gotten out here, because tomorrow it can't be met on this specific day, because tomorrow is CPI, right? Tomorrow is a day where the market will meet the draw on liquidity, because today, the day before, it needs to be used as a, you know what I'm saying, it needs to cool off a little bit to start up the next day. That's what the market did here, right? So we should have gotten out over here. Once we got over here, the next day we could have made full profit here. Then the next day we could have, you know what I'm saying, pushed to the upside, because the draw lucky was not gonna get met on Wednesday, gonna get met on, you know, on Thursday, because Thursday's CPI. CPI will offer the push to the drawn liquidity, while the day before it will just do a startup. So yeah, it makes sense, but in the future we're definitely gonna take that as a advantage. Oh wow, we got SMT. I mean, if this is going down, that's what's going up, right? You son of a bitch. Holy, bro. We had an SMT divergence chat. I don't even know. I don't even see it. Oh, chat, we missed our trade. Bruh. I was wondering, like, why is the market not priced out the low? We had SMT divergence. No. No, brother. What? Really? Son of a bitch. Oh. This trade, I want to be able to take it either way, because it's 1.9. Well. Oh, I did give the setup, man. SMT there. I forgot. I keep on forgetting that DXY is a quality pair, bro. Cause I'm confused when it just goes. I feel like when this goes down, that goes down with it. Goes opposite way, bro. Yeah, there was SMT, bro. Yeah, brother. What is wrong with this, man? Eh? I was going to risk it all today. Fuck, man. Hey, we didn't have a setup, chat. We had a setup, but the market, I didn't see the SMT, so next time we gotta check, bro. It's interesting. Usually, bro, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Usually during news, I always have a setup. Last CPI news, there was no setup, because there was a setup. It's just that it was not gonna break my rule. But usually, NFP CPI always gives me a setup, and I was wondering, like, why the setup not here today? And it was here. SMT divergence, right? And yeah, the lesson on this trade could be, Look at the SMT divergences, right? Look at the correlated pair. There's SMT. But yeah, market just I mean, for this, my initial take profit would have, I realistically would have been this as my real take my initial take profit because these are so near each other, right? Initial, damn, 4.6 RR, bro. Cha, how the fuck? Oh, you man. How did I miss this, chatter? How did I miss it, chatter? Chatter, no, my setup. Yeah, chatter. So pissed, man. Money, 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 money. There's definitely a valuable lesson out of this chat. I was literally selling about market doing a manipulation, but we did have a setup to this, bro. Fuck, man. No, chatter, no, chatter. Chatter. Somebody had me. I did not see the SMT. How did I not see the SMT divergence, bro? How the fudge, man? How the fudge did I not see the SMT divergence? Who told me, bro? Somebody should have told me there's SMT divergence, bro. Fuck ass people, man. People who got my live stream, he did not tell me what the SMT. Yeah, we missed the setup. Interesting, because I knew that this push to the upside should have definitely had a KOD. Everybody. Damn, chat. Really, am I gonna do this to us, bro? What the fuck? Somebody needs to go to the hospital, but not me. Oh, my boy Trader said, but didn't watch the time. You gotta keep in mind, even if you wait, let's just say you wait till 3 a.m. and you take a short around 6 a.m., you're gonna face another loss here, right? You do not want to pattern trade this. Use logic and rational meaning to your trades, bro. Our setup for the day happened, bro. Our day could have been over before I even started, but what? But Chat, trust me, this price point will not get met today. Because it's Thursday. It needs to close at a fair price. So if it needs to close at a fair price, this will high likely not get met, brother. You know what I mean, brother? Chat, make sure you guys are in the stream. Make sure you guys like the stream, bro. Because we need more people to join the stream, bro. Just like the fuck stream. Like the stream, guys. Hey, chat, if you guys don't like the stream, I'm gonna end the stream right now. If I don't get one like right now, I'm gonna end the stream right now. I think I'm joking, chat. The next minute, I better see one like or are we done? Damn, nobody like it and shit? You guys want to end the fucking stream, bro? What's wrong with you guys, bro? Have some. Damn, chat. It's kind of toxic over there, but you guys are kind of toxic to me, bro. What the fuck's wrong with you guys, man? But yeah, this call out was given to my Discord. Yep. 3 hours before, bro. It was a call out that's given hours before, bro. It was given hours before. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I gave this call out long time ago, bro. I gave it at 5 a.m. in the morning. 6 a.m. o'clock. Alright, 30 seconds. Let's see if our take profit can get hit met. Our setup that we just missed because SMTs are very crucial concept, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And my ear is still hurting, bro. It's still watery a little bit. I think my ear is fixed. Alhamdulillah. Hey, it's God who, it's Allah who, when I'm ill, He cures me. Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Yes, Poppy. I told you guys, bro. Line that shit up. Line that shit up. Told y'all, chat. Told y'all, bro. Who's the best anticipator in the world, bruv? It's me, bruv. I told you guys, man. Yeah, man. Hey, you talk my shit, man. They ain't gonna get mad that as well, bro. What the fuck? Supposed to be a day where it's supposed to cool off, bro. What's upset about this? Chat, 3 hours in advance call out. It's crazy. Damn, I'm feeling off hard here, chat. What? Y'all are some bitches, bro. What the fuck? Chat, I told you guys, everything is nothing random, bro. But it's definitely a lesson out of this trade, bro. I just literally missed a 4.6 RR, bro. What's wrong with me, man? Who's the best? I told you guys, man, I'm the best analyzer. I'm the best executor. Execution is gonna get better. Okay, execution is gonna get better. You missed the setup, man. Fuck. I'm pissed. Damn, is it gonna meet that drone looking right now, bro? Wait till tomorrow, bro. Fuck, man. No, wait till tomorrow, please. Please, reverse from here. There's no need for you to go up higher from here. Please reverse, because it's Friday, Thursday, time over price, bro. Damn, I'm feeling off strong here, chat. What the fuck, man? You can literally see that analysis. I shared it to you guys, bro. Damn, bro. One viewer, bro. What the fuck, bro? What is wrong with you guys, man? I literally shared my analysis paralysis to you guys. I shared my analysis paralysis. What is wrong with you guys? Please stop. Hey, fuck you guys, man. Who's the GOAT? Who's the GOAT, chat? Who's the GOAT? Damn, I'm ugly as shit. Who's the GOAT? Who's the GOAT? Who's the GOAT? Say. Yeah, I know I'm the GOAT. I know I'm the GOAT. Niggas a crackhead? Bro, what you talking about, bro? Fucking bitch. Fuck you. Man, this nigga doing that, nigga. Like, fucking monkey. How much? Nigga don't call me a crackhead. What? What's wrong with you, cuz? Yo, bro, what's up? What's good, my buddy Yogi? What's good? What's Gucci? Man, I did not see the SMT divergence chat. I did not see the SMT divergence, so I missed the setup because I did not see this SMT divergence. Yo, bro, what's up? But all good. Up to 3RR this week. Yes, sir. Ski. Type shit. 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 That's some crazy shit, man. What trade that you took, brother? What trade you took? What are the trade that you took today, bro? What are you took today for a fucking 3RR, brother? Janice said this setup would have fucking got us fucking funded, bro. Hey. Took GU? Hell yeah. Let me do some fucking shoulder presses as well, bro. Chat, I feel like my shoulder getting big, chat. Bro, shoulders are definitely getting bigger. I look aesthetic. Hell no. Boy said 4 reps, then 26 reps, then 16. I got you. Hey, yo, bro, what's good? How you doing, bro? I'm Bruno. What's good, my boy? Bruno, how you doing, my boy? How was your day yesterday, brother? How it went? Oh, shit, I don't know how much I did right now. That shit getting hard. Yeah, that right there. How my shit? I'm cooked. I'm cooked. What? I'm coked. It's cool, bro. Damn, are you doing coke? How the fuck you not getting caught doing coke? Oh, you're cooked. It's cool, bro. Your English is fucked up, man. But you're cooked in school? Damn, brother. That's kind of fucked up. I don't go to school, bro. I have business, brother. Fuck that school shit. Oh, he said you cooked K. Okay. My boy said I'm coked in school, bro. I would actually believe that. The way your name is, I would definitely believe that, bro. Cause one time I was coked as well, brother. I was coked as well in school. And then that shit. You know what I'm saying? Sniffing them, the little tarts, you know, in the little candies. They can break them into pieces, make them like look like a cocaine. I was just trolling the security guard with that shit. He thought he was real, bro. So I was like, you a fucking bum black nigga, bro. I was like, are you a crackhead, bro? Look at me like, yeah, you right, nigga. That shit. But chat, this is the setup. Yesterday it made sense for the market to reverse because Friday's next is NFP, so it's kind of fucked up, chat. It's kind of fucked up, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Low-key fucked up, man. Man, this is a beautiful setup that we had. It's a missed setup, man. What's the name of the music in the background? Jannah. It's just called Gannah. I like the background. You guys told me to get some background music. I added some background music. So now you guys could chill the whole. You guys could chill in the stream the whole time. You guys do not need to go anywhere. Makes sense, bro. If you see. خالدين فيها أبدا. Bro, chat, I'm kind of pissed, low key, chat. Yesterday we only made 1 RR. Today we could have made fucking 4.6. But yesterday we should have definitely Diggs on his bit. Not Diggs on his bit. We should have definitely fucking got it over here because he would have known the niggas that CPI, bro. The CPI is the one that's gonna push it. Fucking asshole, man. Fucking asshole, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Can you write it here? I got you. I used my mind and I literally, but trust me, Bruno, I literally just predicted you just saying that. I just said it. I just predicted you saying, "Can you write it down?" Before you even said it. But oh my goodness, I was just making double sure that you're gonna say it actually. But I was like, holy shit, I can read mine here. Check and read mine, bro. Jannah, like that, brother. That means heaven in Arabic. Paradise. H lol. Yes, sir, ski man. I could read mines, bro. Shit. Thanks, no problem, my G. No problem, my boy Brano. Brano. Bro, that guy is the shittiest name, bro. Bruno's a good name, but Rihanna, that sounds like a female name. Cause I don't know, cause the reason I say that because I heard some, you know, Mexican or whatever you call it, Cuban bitches, Cuban chicks say that shit. Brianne Moreno. Or some white chicks be saying that shit. Bright. Wait. It's a funny ass name, bro. I love it, bro. No. Ah. Fine, brother. Damn. My ear hurts so fucking bad, chat. It's gonna explode type shit. But I accept the pain. What the Sigma? Oh, some bitches, man. Hey, chat. So I'm kinda disappointed that I not take this trade. I don't know how the fuck I didn't miss it. I'm not gonna be concerned though. I'm not gonna be concerned. I'm not gonna be concerned. I'm not going to be mad. It is what it is. All right. But we should have definitely paid attention. I should have definitely put my phone away and looked at the chart and looked at different pairs, at the two correlated pair to look for the S&P divergence. Since I did not do that, I missed a setup of my S&P divergence. Okay, and that's what we went a loss. We had an SMT KOD. And chat, this signal was given to my Discord. So if you're not on my Discord, you would not know what's happening in the market, right? Because the only time you would know in the market, the only time I'm going live is between 8 a.m. right and 10:30 a.m. If I have a setup around 7 a.m., I can't give it to the live stream because all those like, why don't you go live earlier, bro? I did not want to say in the live stream like, yeah, bro, I'm just gonna wait for this trade to his like profit. Like if I enter like at 6 a.m. and a trade takes like what? Takes like 4 hours, right? 2 hours, right? It becomes 8 a.m. I'm not gonna say in a chart for 8 a.m. I'm not gonna say a chart for 2 hours. I gotta do some shit, you know what I'm saying? You're funny, bro. I love it. You make my day, bro. Yeah, you make my day as well, bro. With your coked with your English, bro. I like your English, man. I love it, man. When I first learned English, I was cracked. I was a crackhead as well, bro. Hey, I literally have my old messages in my Discord. The way I talk my English kind of ass. I was like, damn, I'm fucking. I used to be clad, boy. Clad. What is this? What? Look at this nigga. Bro, my shit's so corny, bro. I used to be weird back in the day, bro. What the fuck? There's a retracement now in Euro 1.0 to 1.06. Yep. That's what I told you guys, man. That's what I told you guys. The market will not go to here because time for price. I'm gonna hit that bit like oh, let me stop. Okay, this is a professional setting, okay? Let me stop with that shit. All right, let me stop sounding a bit corny, bro. What the fuck am I doing? I'm gonna hit that bit like bro, I chat. If you guys see me actual live, you guys be like, damn, this nigga funny as hell, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause like I'm usually funny when I real life. You know what I be doing chat in real life? Bro, I'd be having no filter, be pranking on niggas. I'd be like, I went to a girl, right? She saw me. I was like, and I was on the deck. So I was like, hey, this is what I'm gonna do when if I make up with you, I'll meet you like, bang, and I hit the chair. That's not funny, bro. But if you guys see it in real life, it would be funny. But you know what I'm saying? But the way I'm explaining it is not funny. Kind of corny. Holy, bro. What the fuck is my emo chat? That shit funny as hell, bro. Hey, I be looking. Hey, I be so tuning my own shit. I be catching my own stuff in the hooks, right? Chat, you guys know when I make my videos, right? I be making some hooks and shit, right? You know what I'm saying? Just to get, trying to get more, more people to watch my shit, right? I be catching my own stuff. I be hooking my own stuff to the video, right? I be watching it like, yeah, okay, let me do like a case study. Let's see how my video went, right? I be watching the title and the headline. I like it, right? I was like, I watched the video, right? I don't even click off. I'll just watch that shit because my saying the my own hook gets me to watch the video. I'm like, oh shit. And then I get to like every word he said, every word I said to myself. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like that guy. But my boy Bruno is actually a market maker, man. Bruno, you're the market maker here, brother. Shit, you're actually the market maker, bro. What the fuck? Market retracing to the market just retraced to that Pacific price point. Damn, we get the market maker up in it, bitch. We got the market maker up in it, bitch. Nonchalante. We got the market maker up in it, bitch. We got the market maker in our live chat, man. That's crazy, bro. Helping out, he's helping out the community. Tight shit. Or say lol. Hell yeah, man. You know, you actually I believe you're actual market maker, man. What you saying is true, bro. I see that shit retracing there. Hey bro, are you ICT's dad, brother? Where are you, man? Interesting about you, man. Very interesting. Please do not meet our drawn liquidity. I would hate for you to hit my drawn liquidity. I would actually hate it because, like, you know what I'm saying? Because trying to get us set up that way, bro. What the fuck you doing, kid? Do free live Discord, bro, in your channel it's good. You're right, man. You're right. Cause I mean I'm live on the YouTube, so there's no need for me to go live on Discord. I mean what I do is I just share my live stream to the Discord, right? So people who want to watch me from through that they could watch me, right? So yeah. But chat, you guys can't deny, chat. My analysis paralysis has been correct for the past fucking 6 months now, bro. Y'all see this shit? I said Monday, gonna go up higher. We know higher over here. Eventually we went up higher, right? But Monday was a beautiful loss. Tuesday, we're fucking with our feelings. We made a mistake here. Tuesday, we cannot go based on our feelings. We must go based on the chart and the data. Make sure the chart and the data, not P&O and not our feelings. So Tuesday, we're expecting higher prices. Boom. Thursday, expecting another higher price. Wednesday, we're expecting another higher prices. Boom. Eventually, once again, big bumble of that. Give me head. We fuck pussy. Pussy turn red. You know what I'm saying? All right, bro. Shit, I'm doing too much jokes. I'm getting a headache from my own jokes. That's fucked up, chat. Oh, my ear's back to being normal. Holy, bro. Shoulder's hurting, man. My shoulder is kinda. Batuha. Lady. Yes. You don't trade Nasdaq, bro? I don't trade Nasdaq. I don't trade Nanny. I don't trade Natty. The reason I don't trade Nasdaq is just that I just, it's there's religious reason, right? Because I'm a Muslim, right? And I can't trade pairs that do haram stuff. Like, I'm saying, some the companies are over in Nasdaq has, saying some stocks that are not like that go against my, I'm saying, my religion, so I don't trade it. But this is all fine, I'm saying. Are you Muslim for sure? Yes, man. Alhamdulillah, man. Born as a Muslim, will die as a Muslim, inshallah. I'm saying, chat. Because, chat, keep in mind, man, like, we're gonna get rich. We will be rich, right? It's just that we can't, let the world, we're gonna die eventually, right? So eventually we're gonna need to go to heaven, chat. You know what I'm saying? Me too, bro. Yes, sir, brother. It's nice. I'm about it. We gotta keep in mind, chat. You guys, we cannot let the Earth. We're gonna die eventually soon. So we're not. Once we die, we're not gonna just see black screen. We're gonna go either heaven or hell, man. Because heaven and hell is, what I'm saying, like, how do I say it in English? It's forever, right? Here is limited time. Over there is forever. Here you will die. Over there you will never die, right? You will either be burned for the rest of your. You'll be burned until you ask for forgiveness. I don't know how long that's gonna be because I don't know, man. I'm not such a religious person, but I do know that I need to pray 5 times a day, which I do, and I do know to. I'm saying read the Quran, listen to Quran. Right now, you can see I'm literally listening to Quran right now. You can see that chat. I'm saying I do know I gotta do what it's meant to be doing, right? Because like you guys gotta know, man. Like hell, I do not want to be there, bro. The punishment once you did punishment, bro. Chat, I do not want to be there, man. Yes, forever, inshallah, brother. Oh, nice, mashallah, alhamdulillah. I'm saying? Gotta wake up at 5 a.m., pray Fajr, and what I'm saying, check the chart. Yeah, the reason I have such a big, fantastic 90% accuracy on my analysis paralysis because I'm saying wake up at 5 a.m. I pray, I'm saying. I pray my prayers on the right time. I pray my prayers on the right time. I never pray late, I never pray early. Right on time. Because that affects my mindset. If I can't do a prayer right in the right time, how am I to do something else? Prayer is so easy, right? Just stay for like what 5 minutes. Right? If you can't do that, then you would damn well can't become rich. You know what I'm saying? Because prayer is way more. Okay, my my knowledge is not that high on that, so I'm gonna stay away from it because I don't want to be. I'm saying I don't want to be too cocky over there. I told you reversing era, mark my word. I told you in Discord, brother. I told you guys the price mark of 11078 was the price mark where the market is gonna go, is in reverse from there. Why? Time over price. It's Thursday. Market needs to close at a fair price. Market will not reach the 11466 because it's Thursday and Friday. Market needs to close at a fair price. Hey, my boy said, see my announcement on Discord, showing your Discord chat right now. Bet that. I will check it right now, brother. Hey, see? Grade, mind, think alike. You say bearish, I say bearish. Tight shit. Oh, what the fuck is that emo, bro? I don't even know what the emo. Bro, Bruno said, Bruno, what he doing? Tight shit. Is that the rejection block? Nah, that's not no rejection block. China, right? I right now, bro. I judge it, bro. Yeah, I mean, yours is kind of different than mine. Mine is... my boy Bruno. What type of trader are you? Are you ICT, CRT? What type of trader are you, brother? Cause I ain't never seen him, bitches. I mean, it's difficult answers. I'm sorry. Hey, I mean, I can understand it. I mean, mine's the same thing. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what we trade. It matters that we understand it, right? I understand my analysis here, right? My analysis, we understand it, right? As long as we can understand, we have the same analysis. We have a bullshit analysis. We got for you, reversal happened from here, right? For me, reversal happened after this because I prioritize. You know what I'm saying? I prioritize time over price. You know what I'm saying? That's why. That is advanced ICT, bro. Nobody talks about it. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I see that before. I see ICT using that trade before. That's why I was wondering. Like, this sounds like ICT type of fucking trades right here, right? Right when I saw those three couple lines, I saw like, oh yeah, that's ICT shit. ICT uses my level watch. Oh shit. Okay, market maker. My boy said, yes, you need only simple way to make money. Yes, sir, bro. Don't overcomplicate it. Even me, as long as we have the same analysis, it doesn't matter it doesn't matter what's wrong with us, right? As long as we have the same analysis, that's all that matters, right? Great mind things like your might be some CE or some shit like that. What was it? CE final first stage, 6 months, right? It could be whatever, but mine is, you know what I'm saying, just daily profile, weekly profile, key levels, you know what I'm saying, daily time frame, you know, agenda, which is daily IRL to ARL, daily to the upside, daily range to the upside, right? We all have a like same sort of, you know what I'm saying, thing, but we all end up in the same direction. That's all that matters, right? End of the day. And chat, we're done for the day, chat, because our fucking boss got mad and yeah. This setup was given live. This setup was given before. This setup was given 2 hours in advance. But we missed a setup because I did not say SMT. But there's definitely a lesson out of this trade. There's definitely a lesson out of the trade, bro. There's definitely a lesson out of the trade. The lesson is do not use your fucking phone while you're trading. If I'm trading, my focus is on trading, not on my fucking phone. And I must keep him watching different pairs to see, you know what I'm saying, if this is an SMT diverse or something like that, right? Yes, ICT weekly profile because everyone can learn it, yes sir, but he can't teach all advanced stuff. That's why he created model. I don't watch ICT, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. I don't know what's wrong over there, but I don't watch none of that shit. All I know, my shit works, and I make money out of it. Everything else, I don't know, chat. Cause I'm too busy in my own life, man. I gotta constantly do some shit, get my shit together. You know what I mean, chat? Holy, my ear fucked up. I won't put that shit right up there, chat. It's got a clot. Man, I got big ass arm, chat. I got big ass hands. Tickles head. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm gonna stop being fucking cringy. Open your eyes, type shit, type shit. What the Sigma? What? What the Sigma? Hey, that's a funny quote, bro. I found that quote. I said some crazy shit. Like I said, what the Sigma? I was like, what the fuck? Holy shit. I think I'm funny, but you think I'm not funny, man. It is what it is. Hey, chat. We're done, bro. But hey, there was definitely a setup. But the lesson of this day is before, because I'm gonna come back later and make another video on this today. But the lesson is to, if you're have full focus, right? If I'm trading, there's literally no need for me to use my phone. Just play some music, not a music video. Play something like play a video and let that go. Focus on a chart. Right. Other than that is look at multiple chart. Look at DXY, because I don't use DXY as my SMT versions. I use usually primarily GU, because DXY is kind of hard to decide. Like, where the fuck is the market gonna go for GU, right? But it makes sense. It makes sense that we should be using DXY, right? So, yeah, there's definitely a lesson out of this. We missed out on a 4.6 RR. You can see how our winners are overtaking our losers, right? We had, our winners are overtaking our losers by a fuck ton, right? You can see we're losing like what 2 RR, but we're making about 4 RR right over here, 3 RR, right? We're making way more than our losers here, right? That's all that matters, as long as we can do that. Because I don't have that much of a win rate. I only have a 40% win rate, so most of the time I'm losing, right? So that's why we want to be seeking to improve, right? So if I have a 40% win rate, I want to be going and using those losses I have 60% of the time and try to use those losses as improvement to go up higher in ranks, right? And get less losses and learn from my losses, right? But I'm done for the day, chat. I see you guys later. I see you guys, my boy, later. My boy, Bruno. I see you guys later, my boy, Yogi, Trader, and that's Twan. What the fuck is I trying to say? I don't know what he's trying to say, but what are you trying to say? He's trying to say some racist shit to me. He probably thinks I'm Chinese. I'm not Chinese, bro. You guys know what I am? I am. What did it say? One of one. Fuck. One of none. Yeah. But keep in mind, chat, always out of the quote. Either take the risk or lose a chance. Alright? Shit. It's kinda bright outside. It's gonna hurt my eyes. So we're done for the day. Beautiful day. Lessonable day. We missed a setup. But yeah. And chat, keep in mind during evaluation stage of my trading, right now, during eval stage, basically during the challenge state of the prop firm, I will be taking news trades But during the master account stage of the platform, I will not be taking news trades. I will be either entering it the day before or hours before it, or not into the trade. But if I have a setup, like let's say 30 minutes before the news, right? And the market gives me a setup. Oh shit. If the market gives me a setup on a master account, I will not take it. But if it gives me, I'll probably take it in the challenge account, because I just checked the news. I just checked the news trading rules. Is that they said I could take the news. I could take the news trading. There's no news restricted on the eval stage, but on the master account, you can only profit 5 hours beforehand, right? So if I enter a trade during a master, if I have a setup during a master account and the setup happens like 30 minutes before, I will not enter a trade on the master account. I will enter in an eval stage, but I will enter the trade on the only time the only time I'll enter during the news is the day if I'm in the master account. If I'm in the trade the day before, or I'm saying probably usually the only day the day before it, right? And I can't do anything else but the day before it. But yeah, this is how I'm going from forward. From now on forward, I just check the news trading rules. Is that on eval stage I could take the news trading rules, right? So in eval stage, there's no restriction on news trading. So I'll be able to take news on the eval stage, but on the master account, there's restrictions on Pacific rules trading rules, right? Where I can't profit for the first 5 minutes in the last 5 minutes of news, right? And as well as I will not be entering news trades on the master account, but I will enter news trades on the eval stage, as well as I will be not entering on the master account unless I'm in a trade already before, like a couple hours ago or days ago, right? Yeah, crazy move from EU this month. Very crazy, man. I mean, there's nothing crazy here. My boy Chris G. If you were to use my analysis throughout the whole week, you would have been chilling throughout the whole week, right? You're gonna see daily, as I said, daily IRO to arrow, short-term look is over here. Where's the market's going right now? It's going over here, right? Analysis paralysis has been 90% accuracy. For the 90% of the time, we're accurate, right? Our execution is way off, but guess what? We're going to eventually catch up to our execution. We're eventually catch up to our, I'm saying, analysis paralysis accuracy, right? Accuracy analysis paralysis, which is what? Which is like fucking what? 80% to 90% accuracy. We're eventually gonna catch up, but we just need to learn constantly, right? But yeah, very valuable lesson this whole week. Monday was a beautiful loss. Tuesday we made a fucking bad mistake, which was we went based out of our feelings, right? The market told us it does not want to go. Market did not disrespect the CRT low, but I felt like it was going to disrespect it. But guess what? The market does not care about our feelings. Market will do. The market did not show actual way of getting disrespected without going down here, without sweeping out the low. It did not sweep out the low, so it did not get disrespected. But I felt like it disrespected. I felt it was gonna go lower. The market does not care about feelings. Market, you must always trade the chart and the data, not our feelings. The market does not care about feelings. But yeah, this market, we may feel like it's gonna get disrespected, but if the market is not disrespected, did the market go in below this low? No, so it did not get respected, right? So that means it's getting respected, right? No matter how deep this goes down, as long as it's not disrespected, we're still looking for, I'm saying, we're still looking for a long here, because the low is not getting respected, and we cannot go through our feelings. We must go trade the chart and the data, right? And yeah, that's the lesson of that. And for OTE, we must have the right analysis for OTE, right? For this, if we're looking for a new situation and there's an OTE, we must wait for the 0.50% mark to 0.86 mark of the OTE to get tapped before we can look for a trade. Execution only occurs if there's an OTE. If there's a new situation and there's an OTE, I can only execute once the 0.50% to 0.86% gets tapped. Otherwise, I cannot execute the trade, because market will highly do a deeper retracement before pushing up or lower, and that's only if there's OT. Today, was there a OTE here today? No. How come? because the 1 a.m. candle never went below the low of this other candle right here, right? Never went below the other 4-hour candle low, so there was no OTE here, right? We're just primarily going based out of the just a push up higher here. We had a SMT KOD to the upside, meaning drawing liquidity, 4.6 hour trade. Beautiful. As I told you guys, our setups, our winners overeat our losers by a heck ton, but we're kind of getting a point where we're going to use all of our losses and have lessons and improve and not make the same mistake. We did not make the same mistake over and over. We will never do it again. But yeah, missed trade here, but I'm done for the day. I'll see you guys later. Beautiful day. See you guys later. Peace out, my boy Breno, Chris G, Trader, Yogi. I'll see you guys all later.